Hi everyone, welcome to Kotlin Programming Series. In this series, we will be solving programming questions from easy to medium difficulty level. To solve these questions, we will be using different platforms or editors. For example, Kotlin Playground can be used for beginning level programs, or we can use Android Studio as we are Android developers by profession, or other platforms like Hackerrank, where other hard difficulty level problems are available. So let's start with today's video. Today's video will be for explaining Kotlin Playground. We will be starting with a very easy program of arithmetic operations. So let's try and get to know the Kotlin Playground. To open the Playground, first go to browser and type Kotlin Playground. Then click on the first link you get in the result. Here it is. This is the Kotlin Playground. As you can see, the UI is very easy, tidy and clean. It doesn't have any complex features or options, just the single run button and the editor. Let's try and run this program. Yeah, hello world. So this is the window where we will be seeing output for the program which is written in the upper part. Let's go to actual program for arithmetic operations. I am declaring two variables, two integer variables to perform these operations. If you want to know more about variable declaration and initialization or assignment in Kotlin, please go through our videos. You'll find the video for the same. The link is mentioned above as well. But if you know all these things, then you are good. So now I'm printing the result for arithmetic operations. I'm using the function println. Print function is used to just print the message. Println function is used to print the thing on next line. Okay. So first I am printing addition. Then I will be printing subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's run this. Yeah, here it is. Addition is 15, subtraction is 5, multiplication is 50 and division is 2, which is correct. Okay. So as you can see, this is very simple to implement, simple to execute and write edit as well. Let's check how does this editor denotes errors or warnings. Okay. So I'm specifying the data type for this variable b as integer. So ideally it should give us a warning because we have assigned the value 5 to the variable b at the time of declaration itself. Okay, so Kotlin compiler is really smart. It can identify from the value which type of variable it is going to be. Okay, so ideally it should give us a warning, but it is not giving any warning. Let's try and run this program and check if it gives warning. Yeah. So as you can see, program gets executed without any problem. But here we are getting the warning on the line where we have made the changes. With the yellow sign, it says redundant explicit type, which is a warning. If I remove this, warning will go away. Now let's check errors. Let's say I'm using the variable C, which is not declared. So it should throw the error, which it throws. As you can see, unresolved reference C in the output window. But at the same time, it is highlighting the line on which we are having problem. in the red color with the error message as unresolved reference C. Okay. So it is simple editor which can be used for doing basic programs. This video is for the introduction of this Kotlin Playground with some basic program. In the next few videos, we will be covering easy programs but with Kotlin perks. Okay, so stay tuned for the next videos. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, keep coding.